Alright guys, Dual Pro Marine Chargers, they've got a program for veterans in place right now. They will send veterans a Marine golf cart, industrial charger. All you gotta do is pay freight. So I seen it on LinkedIn. I sent an email. Very responsive. Like I said, all you have to do is pay freight. So, and here is what they sent me. It just came today. It's the Quad Pro 4 amp bank charger, onboard charger. So I've got a 2012 Basscat Cougar. It's got a the onboard charger that it came with, so I am taking it out right now. I've had a little bit of issues with it. Put in Saturday, me and my son going fishing, and would not crank. So the little cheap charger that I had showed my cranking battery was fully charged, but it wasn't. So I've got a 3 bank in my boat now, going to a 4 bank. So I've got to do a little bit of maneuvering because it is a little bit larger charger than what I have now. So anyway, I've got a Motor Guide trolling motor